In Spreadsheet programs, the grid and navigation layers capture most input events, making it difficult to reach the cell values that lie on the layer below. Direct input on interactive surfaces makes this problem worse. We illustrate in this video how we map basic operations to pen and touch actions and design interaction techniques that leverage the precision of the pen to mitigate friction between layers. Basic operations include unique selection with a pen tap, range selection with a pen trace, and incremental selection by holding an existing selection with a finger and tap with the pen to add elements. Users can also sort, copy-paste, and move elements using simple gestures like tap, drag, flick, and dwell. We introduce two kinds of mini widgets to facilitate interaction with large tables. Those widgets are pen operated, so they can be small and create minimal occlusion of the table itself. The mini table widget is an overview of the whole table. It can be positioned anywhere in the viewport. Users can interact with the pin cutters on the mini table's sides to get a preview of distant rows and columns. They can also quickly scroll at a distant location by lifting the pen off. Users can also use such quick navigation to easily move a row or a column at a distant location. Users can also perform pen brush actions in the mini table to select a range of rows or columns. The second type of widget is the mini visplots that are attached to each column. Users can explore the values in the column on a limited display size by interacting with the pin cutter. They can also perform quick and precise selections by interacting with the elements of the mini-vis. For instance, they can use it to select rows belonging to specific categories or containing values around the median. The maximum, minimum, and missing values can also be selected with a simple pen tap. To select a substring, the user can perform a mark inside a cell. Users don't have to learn a specific mark, as any type of mark enables a selection as long as it is confined to a cell. The only mark that is treated differently is a vertical mark, which opens a handwriting recognition widget to insert characters at the desired location. A double tap on a selection extends it to every identical substring, while a triple tap extends it to every row containing that substring. A drag from a selection to a column header generalizes the pattern behind that selection to every cell of the column. For instance, the user can select all substrings that precede the first comma in the cell. A small vertical drag from a selection changes the letter case. Users can dwell on a multiple selection to invoke the handwriting widget to edit all selected elements at once. They can also move a selection to the left or to the right with simple pen drags, or delete a selection with the pen's eraser. A double touch pinch from the selection and its complement splits the column in two. Our model also leverages the pen for making annotations. Users can open the palette on the side to capture their thoughts in the form of annotations directly on the table. They can also create post-it notes, which they can minimize or expand on demand.